Hi, I'm Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the chocolate strawberry. Let us begin. Today I want to tell you how to make the easy one. Normally you see on the internet, they will tell you how to make it step by step with the cook the chocolate and then dip it. My way, I can show you how to do that also, but I also will show you one easy way. This way you can finish the whole chocolate strawberry dip less than 20 minutes. But first, let me tell you, you need to find some of the cup that you can put in the microwave. The reason is if you use the bowl, I will show you later on how hard it will be. If you use the cup, you can just put in and up. Otherwise, it will like what I show you, it will be a hard time to do it. So now, normally you will see we will cook the chocolate by you boil the water, then on top you put a glass bowl, then you put the chocolate in and let it melt, then you dip it. But that has a little bit problem. First, you don't know how many chocolate you use. Sometimes it may be too much, sometimes it's not enough. If not enough, then you probably need to cook it again and do the whole processing. This way, and the way I just will tell you soon, is same. They will make the chocolate melt, but the time is so different. Now let me show you the easy way. The easy way is you find a bowl or you find a cup, then you put the chocolate in and you put in the microwave. That way it's much faster. After you put the chocolate in, you only remember one thing: 15, 10, 10. It's 15 seconds, then 10 seconds, then 10 seconds. So after 15 seconds, you take it out, you mix it. It won't be melt enough. Then you put in 10 seconds. Do the same process, then 10 seconds. Most of the chocolate chip, they will melt the way you want it. Now this is the semi chocolate. They do it 15 seconds, 10 seconds, then 10 seconds. See, that's what you need. If the chocolate not enough, you just add more and then put 15 seconds, then 10 seconds. But mostly it will melt already. You don't need to do the third 10 seconds. And now you see I use the bowl because I want to show you how difficult it is, because you need to twist the strawberry to dip in the chocolate. That way the leaf will be easy to break. That is not the best way. The best way is you use the glass that can put in the microwave, and then you do the same 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. See, I want to show you it break. The leaf is break, and then I need to use the fork to finish the thing. It's not easy and it won't be nice because you put in the glass cup, you dip it in, you can all the way, and then you take it out, you twist it. Sometime it won't be well. See, now my chocolate is not enough. No problem, I don't need to turn on fire and then wait for it boil and then melt more chocolate. I just put some chocolate in, then put in the microwave 15 seconds. Then not enough, another 10 seconds. You will have enough chocolate for the dipping. Because regularly we don't use the microwave, it's like you only need one chocolate, but for doing the chocolate strawberry you might need 2 or 3 different type of chocolate. Like for me, I do the semi chocolate, and then some of them I have the dark chocolate, white chocolate, and then I even do the coloring, the pink one. But this time you won't see it on video, because after I buy it and then make the video, I find out the one I buy that is expired and they didn't take it away. So when I melt it, it won't melt. The chocolate is expired, it won't melt no matter what. It will be changed, like will be solid. Anyway, fine. But this time I just use like 2. And you might say, okay, if the chocolate I'm not finished, what should I do? Decorate. And then decorate, sometimes people might need to use the special bag or anything. Today I give you another tip. Just get a Ziploc bag, open up, and then put the rest of the chocolate in one side of the Ziploc bag. Then you use the scissors to open a little bit hole at the bottom of the corner. Then you can decorate your strawberry chocolate nice and good. I will do it twice, the white chocolate, then the semi chocolate. You will see it. If this time you don't see clearly, see now it's in one corner of the Ziploc bag. You zip it well. Make sure no much air in the bag. And then you twist them. And at the bottom, don't cut a big hole, because small hole you can push harder and then to have more chocolate come out. But if you make a big hole, you cannot make it small. It will be hard. See now, you can decorate your chocolate strawberry nicely, just like the one you buy from outside. But this, what you do to give your another half, the one you love, is better than the one you buy from outside. It's same as the semi chocolate we use. Just open another Ziploc bag and then put the chocolate on one corner, and then use the scissors to cut a small hole at the bottom. Just cut a little bit. See, it will be easy, and you don't need to be professional. You just do this way. It's easy. Chocolate, you use microwave, and then the decorate, you use one Ziploc bag. That's it. And the strawberry, you just need to wash it and then dry it up with the paper towel. Don't get it wet, because otherwise if you have water on top, you dip in the chocolate, it won't stay. Now your strawberry chocolate dip is done. If you want to make it nice, just get the cupcake pay and then put the chocolate on top. And then you can put it in the gift box or like the clear plastic box to give to the loved one. You will see one of the chocolate, I put the chocolate eyes on top. But for my kid, they are my loved one too. You can make all the design you want. And if you like my video today, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.